Good morning, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and I wanted to show you that I finished the Spooky Sampler Quilt. I was going to put together a video of me putting this together, and that's not very compelling video. So I finished it up, and I wanted to show you what the finished result looked like. So here we go from top to bottom with the Ohio star and the brooms and the bats. Down to the next section was the flags. And then we've got the spiders and the spider web, which is hat ghosts, and the medium Ohio star. Down to the flags, small Ohio star, small spider web, and then the pumpkin patch at the bottom, which I love that pumpkin patch. But I love all of it anyway. And the little scenes that you can cut out of here are just so cute. Like the flag with the mummy in it, and the little witch, and the little pumpkin girl. I think it's pretty cool that there's so many fabrics in this that every flag could be a different fabric. So let's see if I can back up far enough to get the entire quilt. I can't. My room isn't big enough, but there you go. So my room isn't big enough to back up to show you the entire quilt, so I'll insert a picture right here that I took of the quilt. But it turned out really cool. So it came in a box. I'll turn around and show you here. It came in this box, which is pretty cool. This is where I stored everything, with the pattern on nice pieces of paper too. And then just tons of fabric is left from this. So it was a really good price for this quilt kit. I mean, there is just a ton of fabric left that I'm going to have to figure out how to make accessories to go with this quilt. Or I could put it all together and make a back for this quilt if I wanted to. I'm not really sure at the moment. So there you go, that's the quilt put together, and when I get it quilted, I will post a picture of that. But I wanted to show you I'm still working on the two-face quilt, and I've got a cat. And then this I'm working on right here is a pickle dish paper piece pattern. And that's going to be what is going to be the Friday freebie on October 15th. So if you want to make sure you get notified of that, you can subscribe to this channel, or you can subscribe to my newsletter on my website, canaryquilts.com, and you'll always be updated when we get new patterns out. But I'm also going to be making more two-face blocks for this quilt in the future, and I'll let you know when those are up. So thank you for following me on this journey with my Spooky Sampler Quilt. I appreciate it. I've gotten a couple comments about it, so I love to hear what you think, and I love to hear if you made this quilt. Welcome to Canary Quilts. You can get our free patterns in our free resource library located at canaryquilts.com. You can access this from the library access page. Scroll down the page to sign up for a free password to enter our free resource library, or click to enter the free resource library. Once in our free resource library, you will have access to all our free patterns and downloads. We put out a new free pattern every Friday. I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe to our channel so you will be notified of all our new content. Thank you.